Hi, my name is Pranjali Rane and I'm from Mumbai itself. I'm currently doing my BA second year in economics and statistics. Yeah. I am a paper cut artist. Just one day I was surfing Instagram and I came across this account named Letter Mix, who has this paper cut thing in his account. I stalked it and I just tried once with the normal cutter. कि let's do this, कि करके देखते ना कि होता है या नहीं. And the first one went pretty well. The design were not this integrate. The designs were broad, but still I tried and tried. So later on, जसं ते करत गेली. तसं मग ते नीट होत गेलं. So this is fine now. I am doing this since 2 years. There are very few artists in India currently doing this. Yeah, that would definitely be my dad. He pushes me to a very next level. He's like, तुला जे करायचंय कर, आम्ही आहोत तुझ्या सोबत. Yeah, and he supports me for everything, whatever I say. Yes, so it's definitely has to be my dad. The first big project which I did was the size of the mandala which I did was 25 inches. And the second one is which I sold out. It was an order for 3 mandalas which I sold for 5,000 rupees. Follow your passion. Secondly, paper cut keeps you concentrated. You have to like sit for hours and hours to complete one drawing, so you have to sit there at one place. So that keeps you concentrated, that keeps you focused. It also a kind of stress buster for me at least. Whenever I plan like सुबह से कि मैं आज रात को drawing करूँगी तो वो कभी नहीं होता है. Trust me, it never happens. And when I'm angry, when I'm very happy, when I'm overwhelmed, I start drawing and it actually turns out to be very good. So yeah, and it's also commercially very good. Art है तो जो लोगों को सच्ची में art की कदर है, they actually buy your drawings at very high price. जो आप बोलो उस पे वो खरीद लेते हैं. It's commercial and it's good. It is art and everybody cannot understand art, what art is. Artists can understand that. So what I can do and what everybody should do is try explaining other people what your art actually is. आप कितनी मेहनत करते हो उस पे, what time do you indulge in it, and what is the output. You need to explain people that what you actually do. I first take a paper, I roughly draw it on another paper. मेरे को actually करना क्या है. Then I come to a fair paper, I draw the outline. Suppose for this line will be drawn. उसके बाद the अंदर का जो है the big ones, those are drawn. After that the inner lines, the small ones, these ones are drawn. And after that the cutting part, it always starts from the upside, जो ऊपर का है उधर से start होता है and then it comes eventually downwards. And the final cut is done, मतलब जो ये outer का जो line है, that is done, that's the thing which is done at the last. Being an artist, I am a night person, totally an owl. I sit for drawing at like 11:30 or so and I get up at 2:33. उसके बाद 3 बजे सोने का, 5 बजे you have to get up and go to college. Parents should understand one thing, like they always want the stereotype like मेरा बेटा डॉक्टर ही बनेगा, इंजीनियर ही बनेगा, ऐसे सब. But no, everybody has some different kind of art in themselves. The only thing is कि the person himself should like explore himself and खुद को मतलब एक मन से चाह होनी चाहिए कि हमें कुछ और करना है. And if the person is best in doing that, the parents should obviously support them. Because yes, my parents are supportive and today I'm giving this interview. अगर किसी और के पेरेंट्स भी किसी को सपोर्टिव होंगे तो या उनका बेटे बेटी का भी इंटरव्यू होगा. यस. Papercut is a very big like commercial business outside India. There are many artists, those who are working and currently earning a lot of money in Papercut. But in India the field is not that grown. So I thought let's give it a try. कुछ मेरे से कुछ start हो जाए इंडिया में. Yes, it is very commercial outside this. I also got a mail from California that वहाँ पे कोई एक exhibition था तो from India will you represent for Papercut, which is happening in September. Maybe I'm going. Let's hope. Yes, I posted it, so he liked and reposted this on his Instagram handle. So yeah, that was a success for me. Yes, Vicky Kaushal, obviously every girl is crushing over him in today's day. So yeah, I was very happy and I was actually screaming and shouting in my house. So yes. Thank you for this interview. Hey guys, do like, share and subscribe to Treasure Hunters. My Instagram handle is the incomplete artist. Incomplete because artist is never complete. Artist, like art is an ongoing process. You every day learn new things. So it's incomplete artist. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.